Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the focus mode on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So here, if you got some deadlines or if you got some work to do and you don't want to get disturbed with emails or any notifications from your computer, you can try to turn on the focus mode. So what you need to do here is just go to the settings on your Windows 11, click on this Windows button and go to settings. Go to the systems settings in here, and after this you'll find this focus option, so let's hit on that. Okay, so the focus session will help you to get more done by reducing distractions. So when you start a session, these settings will apply for a set amount of time. Here you can see there's a durations. You can adjust or change the duration to how you like it. So the minimum is 30 minutes and the maximums, I don't know the maximum, I think you can, okay, the maximum is 240 minutes or 4 hours, so you can just adjust it to how you like it. I'm going to just set it, for example, for an hour like this. And in here you can also change the settings. So the first one is show the timer in the clock app. You can show the timer in here, hide badges on taskbar apps, hide flashing on taskbar apps, and I'll turn on do not disturb. So let's see the focus session. Click on start focus session, and okay, you'll see the timer in here. And now you can see this is the mode, do not disturb on. So if you want to stop it, you can just pause, or you can also click on the stop focus session. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.